Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a Scout 255 Dorado that we just received. This boat is sold. It was ordered with a customer who will be taking delivery next week. But I wanted to go through the boat and show you some of the optional features. So we have a bow filler cushion on this model. Armrests fold down to give you a very comfortable bow sitting area. You do have a windlass anchor that's standard, and this was equipped with an optional beach boarding ladder. Getting around to the aft end of the boat, we've got a windshield wiper that's optional. Wind block off door here, in addition to the windshield closing. Can protect you from the colder running days. We've got storage on the starboard side where we have our canvas stowed. There's a head on the port side console with a freshwater sink and a mirror. And this boat was outfitted with an optional overboard discharge, in addition to the standard dockside pump out. Garmin 8610 unit, upgraded, VHF radio and factory installed. We did a standard steering wheel, which still includes a steering knob and is on a tilt base. Trim tabs are standard. The LED indicators are an option. Lockable glove box here. Digital start and stops. Our Yamaha binnacle and digital controls, so fly-by-wire. The helm seat has an armrest that folds, a bolster that raises and lowers, so you can either lean or sit comfortably. Same for the observer. There's a trash receptacle beneath the helm seat that folds out, stows away nice and clean. Here on the port side, we've got a lounger that actually is powered to extend with the push of that button, and that little chase will join this fold-out bench seat. The two bench seats in the cockpit are standard. This table is an option. Behind the helm, we've got a wet bar area, the cutting board, tackle storage or cutlery drawer, freshwater sink with an insert that can either be another cutting board or just solid surface counter. This boat was also equipped with the optional extended shade, cockpit shade. This is a manual shade, so it extends and retracts manually. It's not powered. Got freshwater wash down at the transom. This boat was also equipped with the optional automatic flushing system. So hook up the hose, push one button, it'll cycle water through both engines. Digital 150 Yamahas, ski pole, 4 fender pros, 2 come standard. We added 2 more midship. Live well is on the port side aft. I'll hop down and we'll get a shot of the exterior. This is the optional midnight blue color with a full hull upgrade. Really good looking boat. If you'd like to see this before it leaves on July 7th, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Check us out online at marinemax.com. And again, this is Carl Anderson. Thanks for watching.